How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at a 2025 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. You can see it's got this full blue hull color, the chrome graphics on the side. This boat's going to be powered by the upgraded 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine. Stepping up onto the boat, nice space for fishing. In the back here, very roomy in the cockpit. It's got the upgraded larger gas tank. Bench seat, can have seats put on that from the dealer. Helm station. Cooler, that can be a seat or a nice storage option on board. Stepping up front, more space for fishing or having people on board. Nice casting platform in the front and an anchor locker for additional storage. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, I'd love to have you stop by here at MarineMax Ocean View. Thanks, and see you out on the water.